So this is Pico8, and it's this fantasy console where everything is built in. So like you can start right away and just go straight into coding. Here's your thing. You have a limited amount of memory. But then what I really always loved about it is there's also your sprite editor built right in. There's your map editor built right in. You can do sound effects. But like, and then you can just, go like this. Or you can change it to this one. And you can do anyways, it's awesome. And so it's all this stuff built in. And then the last one is like all of music. And you can actually set together some wild music. All of this to say, the reason that I brought any of this up was that this is what unlocked coding for me. When I got in here and I was able to start making games, and it was as easy as like, you start with this, and it's just in Lua. So it's like super easy. What is it? Update 60 for 60 frames a second. And draw. And then you can just, like, you don't even need this, but you can if you want it. And here, we'll do this. X equals 50. Y equals 50. Update if button. I think it's 0 is left. 0. Then X minus equals 5. End. Draw. This is when you should actually clear the screen. And we need to draw a circle. Oh, what's circle? Circfill, I think. Circfill, X, Y, radius, I believe, is the next one. And color, I think, is how it goes. Anyways. Oh, yeah, there. And I only made it move left, but, like, I need it to move right so I can bring it back. Just, like, doing this, all of a sudden, it's like, oh, I can just, like, make stuff, and it works? Like, this is amazing. It does what I want. Like, if I change a number, I can just, like, see it on the screen. And because it was all contained in this one environment, it got me past all the shit of, like, setting up a Python environment or, like, an IDE that I didn't really care about at the time and, like, didn't understand enough. And it was just like, I could just do this, and then I could build something, and it would work. And it's like, I built a bunch of games, and they were so much fun, but it was really, this was the thing that made me go, oh, I could do stuff in development. Like, I can code things. Like, I don't know a lot about coding, but, like, I can do it now. And it was a huge game changer for me. I feel very indebted to the guy who created it. His handle's called lexaloffle. But, like, I feel very indebted to him because without this mentality of what he built, I don't know if I ever would have got past the starting and stopping of doing, trying to do the same Hello World app in 12 different languages because nothing was clicking. And this clicked for me. And I was like, okay, I'm into this. Here, let me see if I can show you one of the games I made. It is super cool. And it's like $10. You can go buy it on his website for like $10. It's awesome. There's a great community from all over development some are like super duper talented. But yeah, this was the long story short of that is this was my like light bulb moment of, oh, I could actually maybe do some of this stuff. Here, I'll show you Aaron's Quest. This was a game that I made. I won't play the whole thing, but this was a game that I made for my nephew when he had his birthday. And the cool thing was, after he found the 16 scrolls, they unlocked a passcode for a Nintendo eShop gift card. But yeah, so anyways, this was the game, and like it was a lot of fun. Oops. And I had a lot of fun making it, and it was pretty cool. And you can do lots of fun stuff. And there's magic scrolls, and you can play this online for free if you want to. that was my foray into like, I can code. Coding's fun. I can make things. This is cool. I should do more of this. and that's and that's what it was. And I took way longer to talk about that than I planned, but that's okay.